Ticket. Hawakan niyo po yung ticket kasi sa raffle po. Ang pagkao na hindi papagka. Kasa mo. Ito ako, ay marker ako.
Hello, good evening everyone!
Good evening,
Hello, good evening! Excited na ba ang lahat?
We would like to welcome everyone to the premiere screening of Hello Love Again by the Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo. Couple of the Year! Are you ready? Let us all welcome Mr. Alden Richards and Miss Catherine
Geng, ano yung cellphone mo?
Ayan, nakita ko na siya.
message. Maybe what can we look forward to the show and get your message to our guests.
We'd like to thank, of course, the Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo for this block screening and ano ba may expect sa bill? So basically, kung ano naman po yung mga unfinished business during the first part, the first film, which is Hello Love Goodbye, will be answered. All of your questions from the materials that we produced po in the past days, masasagot na po yung mga katanungan nyo. Bakit nga ba? What and why po, masasagot na with this film. And we hope you guys will enjoy it. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Expect nyo sa film. Sino po nakanood ng Hello Love Goodbye? Lahat kayo, maraming questions. So lahat kayo masasagot dito, itutuloy yung naiwan ni Joy and Ethan. So it's gonna be a roller coaster ride. So sana wala mong CR breaks para tuloy-tuloy nyo siya mapanood.
Hindi na po rin siya.
I really appreciate you guys for doing this. Thank you, Rotary Club of Upper East Side. Antipolo! Thank you! Okay, sige, group photo muna dito.
Joy Marie Fabregas, I don't love you. Will you marry me?
Videographer for today. Uy, nakapag-video ka kanina kala Katrin? Ay, we. Bukas mo send sa akin na. Lalabas ka na? Labas na ako Sige, tayo.
We'd just like to introduce ourselves. I am Rotarian Anina, the Public Image Director of Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo, and here with
I'm
me.
Rotarian Ruel. I'm the club secretary of Arquesa. And good evening and thank you for coming.
Ano ba yung mission natin dito sa Hello Love Again, aside from seeing Alden and Catherine?
Since this is a Rotarian project, this is a fundraising project of our club. Our main objective is to support the End Polio program of Rotary International.
Or actually, the ticket proceeds will go to the projects of the End Polio of the Rotary Club Foundation. We would like to start by thanking, of course, our sponsors who have helped us with this project. I'm gonna start with our One True Love package. We'd like to thank Magnolia Dairy and Coffee Trade Marketing Team, a courtesy of Rotarian Yong and Car Gregorio of Arquesa.
For One and Only Love package, we would like to thank immediate past District Governor Pope Solis, Rotary Club of Marikina West, Bad Bowl, District Governor-elect Ms. Gina Sanchez, Rotary Club of San Juan, Solis Medina Law Offices, SGA Construction of Rotarian Joel Aro of Arquesa, Universal Robina Corporation, courtesy of Mrs. Bernadette Sebio, and
For the Maserati umbrellas, may we please request the winners to come down here because we already have the umbrellas here.
so again, H3, M22, N9, N10, A20, K13, I24.
Ilan na yan?
Congratulations for winning Maserati.
We'd like to take a picture of here for our sponsors.
And the last ticket to win the Chives Bistro GC is
Club Sec, maganda tong raffle na to. Isa din to sa mga pinag-aagawan.
yes, of course.
This is the cap from New Era, courtesy of Rotarian Pia Magalona. So sino kaya yung tatlong lucky winners? Rotarian Pia, can you please come down and join the pictorial hand?
Yeah, thank you. The next winner of New Era Cup is B2.
Go,
yeah.
pinanalo!
Here. Approve.
Let's take a picture here from Francis M. Clothing Go! Yan.
Sana ako na lang.
So let's start with our 10 winners.
Let's welcome Miss Laardi Losada.
Thank you very much. Hi, good evening. I'm very nervous kasi napakausap pa naman ni Casey sa lyrics mo.
Cash raffle winner. We are giving away 5,000 pesos. Divided by 10. 10 winners of 500 pesos. So at least medyo, diba po? Okay na rin yun. Our first cash raffle winner is ticket O10. We have winner ticket O10.
It's from letter O again.
Swerte naman ng mga letter O. Kanina pa sila natatawa. Baka kung wala si O28, we can redraw. One. O28. Nandito ba? Going once. Okay, let's all go here and have a picture po, all the winners.